very interesting topic, and of course, in fact, we started on yesterday as well. Now, we continue with the topic that is clock. Clock is one of the very important concept in CRT program. Clock is one of the very important topic, and in fact, one very important concept in aptitude. Very interesting. Clock is so interesting. It is because the structure of clock that gives us a very interesting and valid point when it comes to aptitude. Because it gives us a very important point that how to understand a clock. If you could able to understand a clock, so obviously you are good at aptitude, how the movements are happening, how the minute and how the hour hand are rotating. If you can understand that, yes, we are done. This is a very interesting topic. Student, I just want to come again. Yes, Saturday we already discussed about various concepts in clock, and today we continue with that. Okay. Now, here we go. As far as clock is concerned, I told you already a clock is obviously in circular shape. I am not talking about the digital clock. Digital clock is not very complicated one, because that is simply depending on electronics, therefore, it does not make any such difference. But when it comes to analog clock, when you are talking about the mechanical clock, so that makes all the difference. Mechanical clock, it is presented in a circular shape usually, and hence we divide that. A clock is uniformly divided into, these are the numbers we could see in a mechanical clock. These are the numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and this is 11. So, when it comes to a mechanical clock, as I told you that it is uniformly divided into 60 parts. This is what we call as parts. So, in terms we call this 60 parts. When you look at the perspective of the manufacturer, he says that it is divided into 60 parts, because his intention is to manufacture a clock, therefore, he never looks at the time. So, he treat that as 60 parts, and of course, because this is in circular shape, we can also say that it is divided into 360 degrees. As far as our circle is concerned, we can say that it is divided into 360 degrees. So, by the way, we conclude that the 60 divisions are 360 degrees. A clock is uniformly divided into 60 divisions either, or we can say that it is divided into 360 degrees. So, by the way, can you understand, can you tell me, my dear students? So, it is understandable that, so yes students, so good morning everyone. Yeah. So, good morning students, yes everyone, good morning all of you. I think that everything is going fine, there is no such complaints, everything is under control. Very good student. Now, please try to understand that. So, it is divided into 60 divisions or 360 degrees. So, by the way, every one division is equal to 6 degrees. This is the fundamental principle as far as the concept clock is concerned. Therefore, every one division we say it is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, my dear students, when the time is 3 o'clock, minute hand will be on 12 and our hand will be on 3. Then how do we define? We can say this particular situation in two different ways. One is the gap between the hands is 15 divisions, if you can see, or the gap between the hands is 90 degrees. What do you think? Isn't it? The gap between the hands is 90 degrees. If you want to say in divisions, it is 15 divisions. If you want to say in angle, it is 90 degrees. I think you are able to understand what I mean. Okay, student. So, this is about the basic structure of the clock. So, when you look at the perspective of the manufacturer, it divides into 60 parts and of course, 360 degrees. Therefore, every one division is equal to 6 degrees. Okay, student. Another point I just want to mention to you, when it comes to movement of the hands, when it comes to movement of the hands. See student, just look at this, just look at this. Now the time is 3 o'clock, now the time is 3 o'clock. What happens after 60 minutes? My question to you, what happens after 60 minutes? What happens, you know? Obviously, our hand from 3, it comes to 4. You can understand that our hand it comes to 4. So, which mean to say that our hand could able to make 5 divisions in 1 hour, in 60 minutes of time, our hand moves from 3 to 4. Just look at that, look at the beauty of the topic. Once you got able to understand this, this is so interesting. You can easily understand this. Right. When it comes to minute hand, what it can do? It completes the this particular rotation and again it gets back to 12, which mean to say that it completes 60 divisions in every 1 hour, because it is 3, after 1 hour it will be 4. In this particular 1 hour, what actually happens, you know, our hand completes only 5 divisions, whereas minute hand completes 60 divisions, and hence we conclude that our hand and minute hand movements are in the ratio 1:12. I think so a clock should be so designed. When the very concept of clock is evolved, when the manufacturers are about to develop a clock, they might have taken all this care, isn't it? Because our hand and minute hand should not move in the same direction with the same speed. You cannot read this time. If you want to read the time without any confusion, without any difficulty, they have to see that their movement should be something like this. Our hand, minute hand. They must see that minute hand movement is 12 times faster than our hand, which means if the minute hand goes something like this, just 1 step, when the our hand goes just one step, minute hand come quickly 12 steps. See how, what kind of pain they might have taken in designing this particular clock. That is the beauty of the science. You see, my dear students, that is the reason clock is so important topic in our aptitude. Okay, you understand that? So everything is clear, my dear students. So you understand what is a clock and what is the moment of that, and what we do, we discuss this topic, just trying to understand some of the very important concepts. Let us try to understand the basic structure of the clock. Come on, student. So in our competitive examination, the main concepts of the clock are 3. There are 3 important points we need to remember when it comes to clock. There are 3 important points. One is, please look at that. Here we go. 12, 6, 3, 9. So 12, student, is it in the circle shape, or I think it is not in the circle shape now? We are getting is a, okay, let it be circle shape. Just imagine all these are in circle shape only. Now just try to understand that. Now there are 3 important concepts we need to understand as far as our clock is concerned. Want me to say again what are the 3 important concepts? Just listen to me. Here we go. Student, I can tell you that if you understand 2 important concepts, that is clock and calendar, you will be able to get what is the strain our researchers have taken in developing the science. You see calendar, you try to understand the basics of the calendar. So to design a calendar, what kind of pains they might have taken, students? So much pain, you know, because designing calendar is not that easy. Designing a calendar is not that easy. So they have to design a calendar so that there won't be any problem in understanding our nature. When the calendar shows January, the harvesting starts. You see how difficulty they might have faced, or how many complications they might have had in designing the calendar. Just like clock. Earlier, when there was no mechanical clock, then how do the people come to know the times? Basing on the sunrises, and sunset. That was only way they can understand the time. If the sun is not there, if there is any problem with sun, if there is any problem in the nature, if there is a rainfall, if sun is not there, people are just unable to understand what is the time. They just unable to understand what is the time. See how difficult it was. So, clock has one of the great inventions in science that gave the people command over the time. See how difficulty they face in designing the clock. Still you see there is a wall clock almost in every city. Every city in Mumbai there is a clock street, in Chennai, in Bangalore, in London. London of course you see Big Ben, that is a very big clock. So, the culture of every genes is after 15th and 16th century is somehow is mingled with clock. In some cities there is a very big clock, even in your city I am not very sure, in Vijayanagaram or Vijayawada you might have seen a very big clock that gives them the command over the time. So, in understanding the clock there are two important points I just want to mention you, please look at that my dear students. Now, just listen to me. Now, let me suppose that the time is 12 o'clock. Tell me, now the time is 12 o'clock. When the time is 12 o'clock, it is understandable that hour hand and minute hand will be absolutely on 12, which means they will be facing absolutely on 12. This situation we say that the angle between the hands is 0 divisions. In angles if you want to mention 0 degrees, 0 divisions and 0 degrees, and this situation we call it as coincident, or you can also call this situation the hands are at together. I think you understand. So, when the time is 12 o'clock, you can see both the hands are on the same line. The situation is said to be together, that is coincidence. Come on student, one point I told you, when the time is 12 o'clock, both the hands will be on 12. Can you tell me any other time you see this situation? Please respond. Any other time apart from 12? Please tell me after 12, near to 12. Tell me at what time you see that both the hands are at coincident. Tell me student, I am waiting for your reply. I am waiting for your reply. See at what time both the hands are coincident. After 12, I am waiting, just use your common sense, just common sense. Open your mind and tell me at what time after 12 both the hands are coincide. You please tell me. I am eagerly waiting my dear students, I want to see how you are responding. Yeah, can't say, why can't say man, you can say no. At what time? Coincidence. When you see both the hands are coincide, okay, 3:15, very good. 3:15, very good. 1:05, very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good, my dear students. Yes. Yes, please respond, Give me your different views. Let me see how you are responding. Yeah. What is that is absolutely correct. Yeah. Somebody says the situation of coincidence, usually at 12 o'clock we see both the hands are coincide. Again the coincidence happens at 1:05, 2:10, 3:15. You see, see 4:20. Am I clear? 4:20. You understand? 4:20, 1:05, 2:10, 3:15, 4:20. Which means coincidence happens. It is clearly seen at 12 o'clock, but the coincidence happens for every 1 hour. Every 1 hour it happens. Maybe we are not aware, we could not see clearly, but it happens every 1 hour. Yes students, I could understand that, you are responding very well. Somebody says 1:05, somebody says 2:10, somebody says, yeah, very good, very good. All your answers are correct. Your responses are absolutely correct and we get it more clear, my dear students. Wait for some time. I think you are so eager to see. Wait for some time. I will be giving you some beautiful concepts. Just listen. Just listen. Come on, student. Now, you please come to this situation. Here we go. Come on, student. Now, we are looking, we are just heading to the next concept. Now, here we go. Please look at that. Now, the time is 12 o'clock. You may remember, my dear students, when the time is 9 o'clock, okay, when the time is 9 o'clock, you see that both the hands are how many divisions apart? 15 divisions apart, or they are 90 degrees apart. This situation is said to be right angles. This situation is said to be right angles. So, when the time is 9 o'clock, of course, we already passed 9 o'clock. So, when the time is 9 o'clock, you might have seen that both the hands are 90 degrees apart. Students, I just want to ask you, after what time? After 9 o'clock. When you see both the hands are at right angles, imagine, guess, tell me, guess. After 9 o'clock, when you see both the hands are at right angles, after 9 o'clock, when you see both the hands are at right angles, come on student, please respond, use your common sense, because you see clock quite often, you see clock quite often. When both the hands are at right angles, Babji? మెసేజ్ కొంచెం పెద్దది రావాలి బాక్స్, ఫాంట్ పెద్దది రావాలి. యా స్టూడెంట్, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ. మెసేజ్ ఫాంట్ పెద్దది రావాలి. యా స్టూడెంట్, because at 9 o'clock you see the angle is 90 degrees. Again, if you want to see the next time the angle will be 90 degrees, it is close to 9:30. Okay, right. When it is 9:30, you see that both the hands will be exactly student. Yes, you are right. I could hear your point, right. So, right angle it usually happens after 9:30, after 30 minutes of time. Yes, student, yes, very good. Student, when I am dealing this particular topic, you need not completely depend on me. You can also have your check. You can also check your side, because you are already comfortable with reading of the clock. It is not a very big issue. You might be having a very big clock on your screen, I know that. Tell me student, what is your comment? Exactly, that is very good, exactly. So, the next time it will be 90 degrees when the time, when it is 9:30, exactly. So, this is called right angles. This is second model in clock. Third model, please look at that. Here we go with the third model. Student, so please concentrate, here go. Please look at that, here we go. When the time is 6 o'clock, you see my dear students, this is the time. When it is 6 o'clock, we see that both the hands are 30 divisions apart. 30 divisions. You understand my saying of 30 divisions? Okay. 30 divisions are in angles, if I have to tell you, that is 180 degrees. This situation we call it as opposite. So, there are three important points. One is coincident, second one right angles, and then opposite. Both the hands are opposite. Student, should I tell you one thing? Now, the time is already 9:20. You might have seen both the hands are almost quite opposite when the time is 9:15. You get it? When the time is 9:15, you might have seen that both the hands are opposite. At 6 o'clock, you can clearly, it is very much visible, both the hands are opposite. Yes, student? So, these are the three important concepts in clock. So, as an aptitude, as we are preparing for aptitude, we have to see that when the hands are coincident, when it is right angles, and when the hands are opposite. So, these are the three important points in aptitude. You understand, my dear students? Now, shall we start the topic? Remember, clock is very confusing in the beginning, but once you understand this topic, you really enjoy, because this is a beautiful topic. Okay? Now, student, now we start with this. Now, here we go. So, before we start the topic, let me tell you, as far as our clock is concerned, just look at that. As far as the very basics of the clock just lies in this particular concept. Student, please look at the board. Please do not deviate for 5 minutes. Seriously, just look at the board. Just for 5 minutes, you please pay your full attention. Probably after 5 minutes, you will be able to understand the very concept of clock without any hurdle. Please look at that. Here we go. Come on, student, just listen to me, Now, the time is, let me suppose that now the time is 11 o'clock. Now, the time is 11 o'clock. Here we go. So, at 11 o'clock, our hand is absolutely on 11, minute hand is absolutely on 12. You know that. Tell me, student, what happens after 60 minutes? What happens after 60 minutes? Tell me. After 60 minutes, what happens? You know, just let me see. Minute hand will complete all the clock and again comes to the same 12. Minute hand completes the rotation and again it gets back to the 12. You know that very well. Our hand completes only 5 divisions. You understand? Our hand moves only from 11 to 12. 11 to 12. You understand? Therefore, please look at that. Therefore, minute hand 60 divisions, our hand only 5 divisions. Therefore, minute hand 60 divisions, whereas our hand moves only 5 divisions. Therefore, by the way, minute hand moves 55 divisions more in every 60 minutes. Therefore, 55 minutes are what? Minute hand. 55 minutes are gained in what time? In 60 minutes of time. In every 60 minutes, minute hand moves 55 divisions more than our hand. Therefore, 55 divisions are covered in 60 minutes and every one division is covered 60 by 55, that is 12 by 11 minutes. Students, please note this particular point in bracket. Put this particular point in bracket. Our entire concept depends only on this particular note. Every one division is covered in 12 by 11 minutes. You please note down, just note down. Now, we start one by one. Okay, student? So, the entire concept of a clock depends only on that particular point. Let me explain you in detail. Let me explain this concept in detail. Now, you please put the subheading. Subheading number 1. Here we go. Number 1. Coincide. Model number 1. Coincide. Together. Please write the points one by one. When both the hands are when both the hands are 0 divisions or 0 degrees apart, then they are said to be coincide. Then they are said to be coincident, coincide or apart. Point number two, you please write down, So what is coincidence? When both the hands are 0 division, 0 degrees apart, then they are said to be coincide. This is point number 1. It happens once in every 1 hour. It happens once in every 1 hour. You can clearly see 12 o'clock, they are coincide. It happens every 1 hour, right. Point number 3, this is important point. But it happens only 11 times in 12 hours. This is ridiculous. So when the hands are coincide once in every 1 hour, use your common sense. In 12 hours, 12 times. What man? 1 hour, 1 time, 12 hours, 12 times. But the point you need to underline is it happens only 11 times in every 12 hours. Why this happens? What is the meaning of coincide? If you want to know in detail, we have to do some problems. If we do some problems, you will come to know this concept. But at the moment, what you understood is the basics of coincide is nothing but if the gap is 0 divisions or 0 degrees, then we say they are coincide. So what actually the process? Now we have to work it out. Here we go, my dear students. Now please we do some questions. Maybe after doing these questions, you will be able to understand. Ready, students? Please look at this. Please look at. Here we go. This is 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Student, if I could able to explain you clock in the right manner, one thing I can take it granted, I must have been a very good teacher, because clock is a little confusing. Actually, you know that when you are in 10th class, have you taken NTPS exam? Have you taken NTPS, National Talent, NTSC, National Talent Search Examination? I don't know which school you are in, but actually NTA examination has to be taken when you are in school time, everybody. Because NTSC examination, it is one of the very important examination for school children. Usually the brightest student usually take the examination, they get some scholarship. The scholarship holders are said to be NTSC scholars. Those people have a lot of importance in their career. When they go for any career placements, so that certificate gives them a lot of weight, that is for sure. Even in the NTSC exam, even the brightest students face many problems in understanding clock. So clock is a beautiful topic, it is a challenging topic. But why it is challenging? Listen to me, just listen to me. Come on student, I just give you a very clear picture about this topic, just look at this. Now the time is 3 o'clock. Now the time is 3 o'clock. You see, now the time is 3 o'clock. Between, now please look at that. Now the time is 3 o'clock. Student, I just want to ask you, I want to see that both the hands must be coincide. Both the hands must be coincide. Please tell me, when the coincide happens, at what time? Because the time is 3 o'clock. From this particular time, when in the near time, when, after what time the coincide happens? Please tell me, comment. Comment student, please tell me. Now the time is 3 o'clock. When the hands are coincide after 3 o'clock, please comment. Of course, it is 3 o'clock. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I could not see any response. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, student, okay. 3:15, okay. You mean to say 3:15, okay. Somebody says 3:15. Okay, very good, very good, very good. There are different answers so far I could see that. Now, please look at that. Please look at that. One important point I want to say that. I want to see that both the hands are coincide. To see that both the hands are coincide, there are 2 points. Now, the time is 3 o'clock. You see? Now, the time is 3 o'clock. There are 2 things. Our hand should move in this direction and should coincide on minute hand. Is it possible? Is it possible? Can our hand go this way and just coincide on minute hand? Is it possible? No. Clock moves only in hands move only in clockwise direction. Therefore, minute hand should come onto our hand. Tell me, minute hand has to come onto our hand. It is not our hand to get back. Now tell me, which hand is more active? Minute hand or our hand? Obviously, minute hand. Because minute hand is moving much quicker, you know, minute hand is moving much quicker, you know. Here the active role has to play the minute hand. See student, let me tell you some beautiful concept. Let me tell you beautiful concept. I want to say that hands should be coincide. If you keep our hand constant, listen to me. If you keep our hand constant, if our hand doesn't move at all, the coincidence happen in 15 minutes of time. Do you understand? Do you understand? If you can keep our hand constant, you do one thing. You go to your clock and just keep our hand constant. Just press the hands straight like this. Then what happens, you know? Minute hand will come onto our hand. This will be happening in just 15 minutes of time. But the problem is, our hand will not be constant. Our hand will also move. You know that? Our hand will also move. Therefore, coincidence never happens at 3:15. What man? Coincidence never happen at 3:15. You check your time, you can easily understand it. At 3:15, our hand will not be on 3, it will be moving a little between 3 and 4. Our hand will be moving between 3 and 4, and hence the coincidence never happens in another 15 minutes. Then when it happens, you understand that this is the question we are able to discuss right now. Come on student, please write down. Question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1. Between 3 and 4 o'clock, when the hands are coincide, between 3 and 4 o'clock. So when this kind of questions are given, my dear students, the one important point I want to tell you that, so first we must conclude that now the time is 3 o'clock. Now the time is 3 o'clock. What is the time now? 3 o'clock. Simple technique I just tell you, my dear students. In this question I just tell you very simple technique. What is the time now? The time is 3 o'clock. Ready? Now tell me, what is the gap between the hands? Now the gap between the hands is 15 divisions. You see? The gap is 15 divisions. What is the gap you are looking for? You are looking for 0 divisions, which means minute hand should cover how many divisions? 15 divisions. minute hand must move 15 divisions to be coincide. But what is the fundamental principle? Every one division is covered in 12 by 11 minutes. I already asked you to put it in bracket. Every 1 minute, every one division is covered in 12 by 11 minutes. Therefore, 15 divisions are covered in, come on, 15 into 12, 180 by 11 minutes. So 11 cancels for how many times? One time. 70 means 16. 16 4 by 11 minutes past 3 o'clock. You please note this question, my dear student. Please note down. Please note down. Give me some time, just 5 minutes. I make this topic very confident to you. Please note down this question. Our entire program, our entire topic depends on this particular simple logic. Every one division is covered in 12 by 11 minutes. So, the coincide happens after 16 minutes, 3:16. Okay, student, okay. Your response is okay, but I think here you get the point now? You get the point now? Okay, then I have to answer, you need to answer some more questions, my dear student, so that I can understand how you are responding. Very good, student. Now we move on to next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Please look at this. Question number 2. Between 4 and 5 o'clock, between 4 and 5 o'clock, when the hands are coincide, when the hands are coincide. Come on, student, you need to respond. Take some time, just go ahead. Yes, student, I am explaining once again with a different answer. I understand that it is not that easy to understand, no problem, we will be discussing this with one more example. Student, every time when you are taking the question, very good habit is, please draw a simple clock, something like this, draw a simple clock. Just see this, 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, every time. Because when the topic is complicated, my dear student, we should be even more clear. If everything is comfortable, then what is our speciality? Our speciality comes into play when the topic is a little complicated. That is our speciality, right? You see, what is the time now? Now the time is 4 o'clock, between 4 and 5, which means the time is 4 o'clock. When the time is 4 o'clock, you can see that here we go. The time is 4 o'clock. Tell me, student, what is the gap now? The gap is 20 divisions. At 4 o'clock, the gap is 20 divisions. What we are expecting? We are expecting the hands should be coincide, which means the hands should be 0 divisions, which means minute hand must move how many divisions? 20 divisions. To move 20 divisions, is it take 20 minutes? No, because our hand is also moving, you know. What is the logic? Every one division is covered in how many minutes? 12 by 11 minutes. This is the simple basic point on which the entire topic lies. Just listen. So, for 20 divisions, how much time it takes? Come on, student. 20 into 12, 240. 240 by 11. You please cancel. 20 to how many times? 2 times. 21, 9 by 11 minutes past 4 o'clock. So, the coincidence happens 21 9 by 11 minutes past 4 o'clock. Excellent, my dear students, excellent, excellent. 21 9 by 11 minutes past 4 o'clock. You say 4:20. Still in your mind, I think you say it is 4:20, na sir? Okay, 4:20. Check it out. If it is 4:20, our hand will be on 4 only. You see, 4:20. 4:20 means minute hand definitely moves 20 divisions. Our hand will be there only, or it moves a little further? Definitely it moves a little further, you know, because our hand also moves, no? Maybe not as quick as minute hand, but it also moves. You understand, my dear student? Therefore, 4:20 is not correct answer. Then what is correct answer? 21 4 by 9 minutes past 4 o'clock. If I want to be very clear, the time is 4:21 9 by 11 minutes. After 4, 21 9 by 11 minutes. You understand that? Okay, no problem, student. Maybe in another 1 or 2 questions you will be getting complete clarity. What is there? It is in our hand. We can make it. Come on, student. You please look at that. Between question number 3, between 6 and 7 o'clock, between 6 and 7 o'clock, when the hands are coincident, when the hands are coincident. Go ahead, my dear students, I am waiting for your answer. I am eagerly waiting for your answer. Just go ahead. I am every time not getting circle, man. I am trying to draw the circle, but every time I fails. Huh? Go ahead, go ahead. Now the time is 6 o'clock. Between 6 and 7 o'clock, you must tell me when the hands are coincident. I am waiting for your answer, my dear student. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. The time should be taken 6 o'clock. Okay. Student, I am doing calculation. You want me to explain the calculation part also? Okay, okay, okay. I will explain you calculation part also. This is simple logic, my dear student. The logic I am just trying to tell you is nothing but a very simple technique, nothing more than that. 631 is not correct answer, my dear student. You need to check the fraction. Okay, I think you are not able to get the fraction, but you can do it. You can do it. Yeah, very good, very good, very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. Yes, student. Yes, you are almost on the line. Yeah. You see that? Now the time is 6 o'clock. Now the time is 6 o'clock. Okay. At 6 o'clock, you can see that the hands are how many divisions apart? 30 divisions. At 6 o'clock, hands are 30 divisions apart. You know that the gap is 30 divisions. But we want to see that the gap should be 0 divisions. Gap should be 0 divisions, which means minute hand must move 30 divisions from its actual place. Because it is only minute hand, our hand cannot play, because minute hand is hero in clock, because this is very quick. You see that to cover 30 divisions, what is our fundamental point? Every one division is covered in how many minutes? 12 by 11 minutes. To cover 30 divisions, how much time it takes? 30 into 12 by 11. 360 by 11. 36 3 times. We left 30. 30 means 2 times. This is calculation, my dear student. Past 6 o'clock. So exact time is 6:30 to 8 by 11 minutes. So between 6 and 7 o'clock, coincidence happens 30 to 8 by 11 minutes past 6 o'clock. Oh yes, my dear students, yes, you are doing extremely well, very good man, congratulations. Yes, which mean to say that you are able to get it right. Minute hand is moving and our hand is also moving, you know, maybe not as quick as the minute hand, but it is also moving. That is the reason why it is not at 6:30, it is something else. Okay. Come on student, now one more question, maybe this time you get even more clarity. Here we go, question number 4, please look at that. Between 9 and 10 o'clock, between 9 and 10 o'clock, when the hands are together, when the hands are together, come on student, go ahead, go ahead. You can also depend on the watch. You see, almost you can also depend on the watch. Between 9 and 10 o'clock, you see the time? It is almost 9:50, yeah? Check it out, check it out. You can do it, you can do it. Come on student, please go ahead. Please answer this question without any confusion. If you can do that, I can say that we are going in the right direction. What is the time now? You can understand that now the time is 9 o'clock. Now the time is 9 o'clock. I am waiting seriously, my students. I am waiting eagerly. I just want to see how you are responding. Come on, come on, come on. Go ahead, go ahead. Now the time is 9 o'clock. Between 9 and 10, when the hands are at together. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Excellent, excellent, man. Very good, very good, very good. I appreciate you. Yes, what you did is absolutely correct. Tell me, student, what is the gap? The gap is 45 divisions. What is the gap? The gap is 45 divisions. Gap should be taken in clockwise direction because minute hand moves in clockwise direction only, you know. Okay. What is the gap you are expecting? 0 divisions, which means minute hand must cover how many divisions? 45 divisions. Every one division is covered in how many minutes? 12 by 11 minutes. This is the fundamental point. Basing on that, we are doing all the questions. So 45 into 12 by 11. Come on, student. That is 540 by 11. How many times it cancelled? 4 times. 44. How much we left? 100? 100. 100 means 9 times. Therefore, 1 by 11 minutes. I think we are doing extremely well. 44 man 4 times. So, we have 100. 100 means 9 times. So, obviously 1 is left. Okay? 99. Therefore, 49 1 by 11 minutes past 9 o'clock. You see students, now the time is almost coincide. You see that? It is almost 9:50. You see my watch? It is almost 9:50. You can see that both the hands are almost coincide. So, 49 1 by 11 minutes. Student, are we comfortable, man? Very good, very good, very good. Yes, I think yes, we are going in the right direction. Very good, student. You see that? Very simple. If the first question is difficult, we have to do some more questions to see that everything is fine. Come on, student. Here we go. We go to the last question and we conclude this model. Question number 5 in model number 1. Now we are in model number 1. We are able to complete this model just with this last question. Between 11 and 12 o'clock, when the hands are together. Between 11 and 12 o'clock, when the hands are together. Please respond. I am waiting for your response, my dear students. Yeah, you are doing extremely well, and I get it right. Very good, man, very good, very good, very good. Please. Very good, very good, excellent, excellent, excellent. Yeah, 60 minutes is okay, but 60 minutes after 11 o'clock. 60 minutes after, very good, very good, very good. Some students said that he is not getting the logic right. Maybe this is the time you have to get it right. Come on student, just look at this. Student, to answer this kind of question, you don't require any mathematics. To answer this kind of questions, you don't require any mathematics. What you require is just common sense. I believe that because you the people are fully engaged with the systems, when you can play video games effectively, when you can play PUBG, I think it is not, you are not supposed to play. When you are playing video games effectively, then what is the problem? Why you are not able to get this kind of topics correct? You can do it. You have to focus. Because you the students are playing, you are working on the systems very effectively, you are using software, then why you are not using this? You can do it. Just look at this, just look at, you can make it. Student, tell me what is the time now? The time is 11 o'clock. The time is 11 o'clock. I think you understand this. So, when the time is 11 o'clock, what is the angle? What is the gap? Gap should be seen in clockwise direction only, right? So, the gap is 55 divisions. What is the gap we are looking for? 0 divisions. What is 55? That is the gap when the time is 11. What is 0 divisions? This is the gap we are looking for because the hand should be coincide, which means minute hand must move 55 divisions. What is the fundamental topic? One division is covered in how many minutes? 12 by 11 minutes. So, 12 by 11 minutes. How many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes from 11. 60 minutes from 11 means at 12. 60 minutes from 11. 60 minutes from 11 means 12 o'clock. After 11, you can see the coincidence at 12 o'clock. Student, you see? After 11, you can see the coincidence in 12 o'clock. Between 12 to 1, you can see the coincidence at 1:05. In one word, I can tell you that in this particular gap, you see, in this particular gap, coincidence happens only one time. Between 11 and 1 o'clock, coincidence happens only at 12. Only at 12. Now, please let me know. Let me come to this point again. When the gap is 0 divisions, the hands are said to be coincide. Note number 2, it happens once in every 1 hour. It happens once in every 1 hour, but it happens 11 times in every 12 hours. Why that particular point? Because of this reason. Because between 11 to 1, the coincidence happens only for once. That is the reason why it has to happen for 12 times, but between 11 to 1, it happens only one time. Therefore, in every 12 hours, coincidence happens only for 11 times. Student, is this topic is okay right at the moment? You please respond yes or no. Tell me, are we going in the right direction? Are we clear? I just want to know, please respond my dear students, are we clear? Yes or no, please tell me. Yes or no, just say yes or no, that is all. Are we clear? Are we clear so far? Student, please respond. Yes or no? Yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good. Go ahead, go ahead. Give me your opinion. Yes, yes, yes sir, yes sir, yes. Anybody else? Any other? Yes, yes. Are we clear? Please respond, please respond. Let me see, student, no problem man, if you are not getting it right, we have to discuss in different direction, no problem. It is something you need to understand. Okay, please respond. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. So you say yes. Almost everybody says yes, 90% yes, but somebody says no, very few, very few. No problem student, I also keep you in mind, I also keep you in mind, I will explain you, no problem. Which means that majority of you are able to get it. Student, please listen to me. Once the pandemic is over, I think it is soon going to be over because almost we are in the top and slowly we are coming down. Once your college is open, what happens, you know? You will be focusing on your academics, maths, physics, chemistry, computers, electronics, something like that. So in that process, you may not be able to give more focus on aptitude, which means we will never be able to find this much of time once the college is open. You see how beautiful the topics are, but when colleges are open, can you give this much of time on this kind of topics? But your career depends exclusively on these topics only because your first examination is only aptitude. So you must really thankful to your management, they have taken a wonderful decision because you are focusing completely on this topic. But I understand that some of you may not be able to get it right. No problem student, we discuss once again. I make sure this topic is definitely will reach to you. I do my level best. Okay students, so have some water, take some break and we get back, we discuss the remaining two models. Take some break. Okay, right. Yeah student, now we continue. Student, now as far as our clock topic is concerned, as I told you, the very concept of clock is basing on very simple logic, that is every one division is covered in 12 by 11 minutes. Okay. So the entire concept of clock depends only on that particular issue. Every other issues are very simple. Student, please listen to me. When I am doing calculation, for example, if it is 40 by 11, you see that it cancels for how many times? 3 times. What is remaining? 7. So 7 by 11. This is how I am just doing the calculation. Are you not getting it right? I think it is not a very big issue. You can easily get it. Okay? Right. No problem. We move on to the next question. So I could see very little complaints. One complaint is that explain again. Okay, okay. Student, I will be doing that. I will be doing that. Yeah, yeah. Many of you said yes, but maybe some people, yeah, very some people have raised their queries. I will be taking care of that. Now we move on to the next question, my dear student. Now the second model is going to be opposite. The second model is going to be opposite. Okay. Please note down one by one. If both the hands are, so there was a small technical problem and now it is resolved. Now student, now we continue. If both the hands are 30 divisions or 180 degrees apart, then they are said to be opposite. They are said to be opposite. This is point number 1. Theory is all important in clock. We need to know the proper theory. Number 2. It happens once in every It happens once in every 1 hour. You please underline once. It happens once in every 1 hour. Point number 3. But it happens 11 times, please underline that, 11 times in every 12 hours. In every 12 hours. So when it happens once in every 1 hour, so obviously it should happen 12 times in 12 hours, but it happens only 11 times. Let me tell you that. Problem, huh? Yes, students. Now I think we go ahead. Now please, you will be knowing that. Where it is so, you will be knowing that. I tell you. Now student, now please note down the points and now we go on to the questions. Here we go. Here we go. Let me tell you why it actually happens. You understand the very concept of opposite, my dear student. You understand the very concept of opposite. You see the time is now 10:15. I think it is 10:15. Within very few minutes, you will see both the hands are opposite. Both the hands are opposite. Tell me what time? 10:20. 10:20. You see? 10:20. When the time is 10:20, you see both the hands are opposite. But actually, it is not 10:20. It is not actually 10:20. I tell you why. Okay. Now, student, you understand what is the meaning of opposite? Now we go ahead. Student, please write down question number 1. Question number 1. Please write down. You understand what is the meaning of opposite? Now this is the time we have to clarify your doubts by doing some questions. Question number 1. Between 7 and 8 o'clock, between 7 and 8 o'clock, when the hands are opposite. Come on, student. Please write down the question. When the hands are opposite, you please write down. So here is the solution. So whenever you are doing the question on clock, a small diagram will always help you to understand the question in the right direction. 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Tell me, student, what is the time now? Now the time is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the sense, minute hand is absolutely on 12, our hand is absolutely on 7. So that is the situation. You can call it as 7 o'clock. You see 7 o'clock. Can you say at what time both the hands are opposite? See, 7:05. It is close to 7:05, but it is not exactly 7:05. Let me tell you. What is the gap between the hands? The gap between the hands is 35 divisions. And what is the gap you are expecting? You are expecting a gap of 30 divisions. 35 divisions, that is the gap when the time is 7 o'clock. When the time is 7 o'clock, the gap between the hands is 35 divisions. But if you want to say that they are opposite, they should be at a gap of 30 divisions. Which means how many divisions it must move? It must move 5 divisions. What is the fundamental point? Every one division is covered in how many minutes? 12 by 11 minutes. Therefore, 5 into 12 by 11, 60 by 11. So, 5 by 11 minutes past 7 o'clock. I think you understand. Got, man? Are we comfortable? Shall we discuss one interesting question? We are almost close to the time. If you can look at your watch, will we understand what is the meaning of opposite? Come on, student, one more question. You get more clarity now. Question number 2. Here we go. Question number 2. Between 10 and 11 o'clock, between 10 and 11 o'clock, when the hands are opposite, when the hands are in opposite direction. Come on student, please give some try. Let us see how you are able to do this. Come on student, go ahead, go ahead. I am waiting for your reply, I am waiting for your reply. It is the time is 10 o'clock. You see the time is 10 o'clock. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good student. Yes, 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 yes. Somebody responded already. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, fine, very fine. So to answer this kind of question, what is the technique is, you please take a clock. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Come on student, what is the time now? Now the time is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock in the sense, minute hand is absolutely on 12, our hand is absolutely on 10. Now the gap between the hands is 50 divisions. Am I right? See, 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 see. The gap between the hands is 50. Gap should be counted in clockwise direction because it is only minute hand that takes the lead role, not the other hand. What is the gap you are looking for? 30 divisions. Tell me how many divisions the minute hand should move from the starting point? 20 divisions. What is the technique? Every one division is covered in how many minutes? 12 by 11 minutes. 20 divisions are covered in how many minutes? 20 into 12 by 11. 240 by 11. 2 times 22. 20 means 1 time. Past 10 o'clock. See? See your watch? Just look at the watch. Yeah. See, almost, yes. It is almost 10:22. It is almost 10:22. Now you see, both the hands are absolutely opposite. So when you are not very clear about clock, you thought that at 10:20 it will be opposite. No, it is not 10:20, but it is 21 9 by 11, which means close to 22 minutes. So you see this when the time is 10:22. You see? So this is about. So now we move on to question number 3. Maybe this time you get even more clarity. Between, come on student, between 9 and 10 o'clock, 9 and 10 o'clock, when the hands are opposite, when the hands are opposite. Come on student, I am waiting for your answer. Please look at that. Go ahead, go ahead. Now the time is 9 o'clock. From 9 o'clock you have to take. Sir, students, I could only see your answers. I can't see anything else. Okay. Between 9 to 9:15 is not correct, my dear student. A small correction is required. Please go ahead. 9:15, it seems to be when you are not confident in the topic in the beginning. But once you are confident, obviously it is not 9:15. You see? Should I explain you? Yeah, please look at that. 9:15. It usually seems to be 9:15 when you are not clear about the topic. (10 and 11). Remember the time is 9 o'clock. Here we go. This is the time. You please, we continue with this. 9:15, you are under impression 9:15. 9:15 is not correct. When you don't know this topic, you might have said 9:15, but you not suppose it. Now tell me, what is the gap, my dear student? What is the gap? The gap is 45 divisions. Gap should be seen only in clockwise direction. What is the gap you are expecting? 30 divisions, which means how many divisions must it cut? 15 divisions. Therefore, it takes how much time? 12 by 11 minutes. 15 into 12, 180. 180 by 11. Student, can you do the calculation? You can do it, you can do it after some time. 18 one time, 70 6 times. This calculation you can do it after some time. Past 9 o'clock. So, it is not 9:15, but it is 16. Exact time if you want to be clear. 9, 16, 4 by 11 minutes. I think it is very clear to you, my dear students. Are we clear? Let me check your answers. Yeah, you are doing extremely well. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, you are almost there, you are almost there. So, after 9 o'clock, it is about 9:16, the hands will be in opposite direction. Very good, student, very good, very good. Student, I see some of you are having some doubts. Okay, I will be explaining that, I will be explaining that. I will be explaining. Some of you raise some questions, I will be doing that. So, before that, you please take some questions, you please look at the board, look at the board. Please take some questions. I just want to see how you are doing. How you are doing, please take some questions. Look at the board, my dear students. Look at the board. Here we go. Let me see. The time is 8 o'clock. The time is 8 o'clock. Let me see. The time is 8 o'clock. Be ready. Draw the diagram. I want to ask some questions to you. I want to ask some questions. If you can answer, then I will be confident that you are doing well. Yes, student, okay, yeah, you are giving the answers only, but somebody raises some doubts. Maybe I just see the doubts after some time, then I will explain you. Here we go. My first question. Question number 1. When the hands are together, from this time, and my second question, when the hands are opposite, please answer both the questions. Now the time is 8 o'clock, start doing. Please answer both the questions. Now the time is 8 o'clock. Okay, very good. Only answers. But somebody write some points, I just see after that and I just make it right. Go ahead man, go ahead. Now the time is 8 o'clock. From 8 o'clock you have to answer my question. Okay, please go ahead. Tell me how to answer this question. How do we answer this? Please answer both the questions and just see whether you are doing it right or wrong. Come on. What is the gap? The gap is 40 divisions. Students, the entire topic depends on one simple point. Every one division is covered in how many minutes? 12 by 11 minutes. The entire topic depends only on this particular point, nothing more than that. The gap is 40 divisions. To be together, the gap should be 0 divisions, which means it must move 40 divisions, for which it takes how much time? Into 12 by 11, that is 480 by 11. How many times? 4 times, 44. How much you left? 40, 3 times. 11 minutes past 8 o'clock. So that is for question number 1. Okay. Students, yes, you are doing well. You are also responding in the right direction. I congratulate you. Very good, very good. Right, student. Now look at the next one. Look at the next one. Here we go. Next question. Next question. Now the gap is 40 divisions. But to be opposite, the gap we need to maintain is 30 divisions, which means 10 divisions it has to move from the starting point, for which how much time it takes, into 12 by 11. That is 120 by 11. How many times? 10 times. 110. How much you get? 10. 10 by 11 minutes past 8 o'clock. So, to be opposite, it is almost 8, after passing 8, it takes 10 by 11 minutes. Student, I think yes, we are going well, we are going well. Hope you understand, my dear students. Are we clear? Are we clear, my dear students? I think yes, you are responding. Very good, very good. So, your response is very encouraging, therefore, which mean to say that we can go ahead and we can move on to the next question with confidence. Here we go. Please look at one more question. This time you get even more clarity. Please take some question something like this. Okay. Right. Let me give you some question. Here we go. Now let us take the time. Let us take the time 7 o'clock. Now the time is 7 o'clock. Okay. Straight away. Straight away. My question. First question. When the hands are together. Number 2. When the hands are opposite. Please answer both the questions quickly. From 7 o'clock. Please answer both the questions quickly. Come on, student. Come on, come on, come on, come on, quickly. You are expecting me to answer some questions again. Okay, I will be doing that. I will be doing that. Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good response, my dear students. Yes, everything is very good. So it is very encouraging. We can go ahead. We can go ahead. Come on, student. Finally, quickly. Come on, quickly. Because the time is 7 o'clock, the gap is 35 divisions. To be together, the gap should be 0 divisions, which means it has to move, for which how much time it takes? 35 into 12, 420 by 11, how many times? 3 times, 33. How much gap? 9. 90 means 8 times, 38, 2 by 11 minutes, past what time? 7 o'clock. Okay? I think this is okay. Then again, 35 is the gap that is given to you, but to be opposite we need to have a gap of 30 divisions, therefore 5 divisions into 12 by 11, that is 60 by 11, 5 by 11 minutes past 7 o'clock. I believe that the one who are able to do, they are doing quickly, but still some of you are having some confusion in calculation part. I will explain that. Student, there is nothing you can really feel about. I will explain that. No problem. Just wait for some time. Model number 3, student. Now we are about to conclude this topic. Model number 3. Model number 3. This is about right angles. This is about right angles. Model number 3, this is about right angles. Come on, student, please write down point number 1. If both the hands are 15 divisions are 90 degrees apart, then they are said to be, at right angles. Number 2, second one. It happens twice, please underline the word twice, in every 1 hour. In every 1 hour. It happens twice in every 1 hour. Number 3. But it happens 22 times in 12 hours. You can ask me, sir, when it is happening twice in every 1 hour, it has to happen 24 times? No. But no, it never happens for 24 times. It happens only 22 times. Why it is? I explain you. I will be explaining you. No problem, student. If we do some questions, everything will be under our control. No problem. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Here we go. If you want to get the clarity, we have to answer some questions. Just look at this. Just look at this. Here we go. Student, just listen to me. Here we go. Now just listen. Student, any question if you think is a little difficult in the beginning, but if you do some more practice, everything will be under control. Student, now just listen to me. Now let me suppose that the time is 9 o'clock. Now the time is 9 o'clock. Tell me, at 9 o'clock you see that both the hands are at right angles. And if you look at another way, just look at that. And if you can look at that, at 9:30 also both the hands are at right angles. The first right angle happens at 9 o'clock. And then again it happens at 9:30. Okay, no problem. Let me give you one more example. Just look at that, my dear students. Just look at that. Very simple. 12, 3, 6, 9. 12, 3, 6, 9. Yeah, you see that. When the time is 3 o'clock, you see both the hands are at right angles. And when the time is 3:30, both the hands are at right angles. See, first right angle happens at 3 o'clock and second right angle happens at 3:30, you see, which means within 1 hour, right angle happens for 2 times. You understand? After all, what is the meaning of right angles? When there is a gap of 15 divisions, we say they are right angles. But exact 3:30 is not correct. I will explain you when it happens. So tell me, to be right angles, the gap should be 15 divisions. In angles, we call it as 90 degrees. So how to handle this question? We need to answer. Come on, student. Question number 1. Here we go. Question number 1. Between 4 and 5 o'clock, when the hands are at right angles. So students, please allow me to answer this question with complete details. Second question, you please do it. I am trying to draw circle. Oh, I think now we got the circle. Huh? After a very long time, I could able to get circle. You see, student, you please look at that. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. What is the time now? Now the time is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the sense minute hand will be on 12 and our hand will be on 4. This is 12. So student, just imagine at what time it comes first time for right angles? 4, 5. You see, 4, 5 it comes at right angles. After that it comes right angle at 440. I tell you why. What is the gap, my dear student? The gap is 20 divisions. When the time is 4 o'clock, the gap is 20 divisions. What we are expecting? We are expecting right angles. To be at right angles, we need to have a gap of 15 divisions. It happens how many times? 2 times, plus or minus. Because 1 plus 5, second minus 5. Therefore, how many cases arises? 2 cases. Case number 1, 20 minus 15. Case number 2, 20 plus 15. You please note down, then I will be explaining the next question to you. Therefore, 5 divisions should be moved. 35 divisions should be moved. You know that every one division is covered in how much time? 12 by 11 minutes. Therefore, 5 divisions are covered in what time? 12 by 11. 60 by 11. 5 by 11 minutes past 4 o'clock. It is not exactly 4, 5, something more. Here we go. Into 12 by 11 minutes. What is that? 420 by 11. How many times? 3 times, 33. 90 is there. 90 means 8. 2 by 11 minutes past 4 o'clock. How many times it happens? It happens 2 times, plus or minus. You please note down, let me explain you in detail. Once I could explain you, you may be able to handle. No problem student, you please note down this question. I take some time, no, I am not in hurry. Many of you are giving the answers and everybody says yes, but very few people have some queries. Yes, I will explain them. No problem student, I will be explaining. Okay, very good. I could see only your response, but still yes, some questions are there, I will be explaining that. Student, did you note it down? Now please look at this question. Student, let me give you a detailed picture of clock. Did I get a clock? Oh my God, okay. 12, 3, 6, 9, here we go. To make you understand the very concept of clock, you require some interesting information. Listen to me. Here we go. Student, please listen to me. Now the time is, let me take some time, whatever the time it is, no problem. Want to take 5 o'clock? Okay, let the time is 5 o'clock. Minute hand is on 12, our hand is on 5. Student, I show you 2 situations where the time is right angles. You see. That is 5:20. So the first right angle happens at 5:20, right? Right? Second one. Minute hand. Take the minute hand onto 8. Take the minute hand onto 8. Second right angle happens at 5:40. What do you think? 5:10. The first right angle happens at 5:10. You see, first right angle happens at 5:10. Second right angle happens at 5:40. You see. So how many times it happens? 2 times. Therefore, plus or minus. Please look at this question. Question number 2. Between 5 and 6 o'clock. between 5 and 6 o'clock, when the hands are at right angles. Come on student, try yourself. Try yourself between 5 and 6 o'clock. Go ahead man. Very good. Good. Very good. Yeah, almost many of you are doing with command, but maybe still there are some confusions. I will be explaining that. No problem. Any question, any topic seems to be difficult only in the very first class. From second class, everything will be all right. But yes, this topic is not that easy, I am sure that. Any topic, if you don't do it with command, it is always time wasting, no problem. What is the time now? Now the time is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in the sense, our hand is on 5, minute hand is absolutely on 12. This is 5 o'clock. Okay student, now come on, tell me how we are doing this. At 5 o'clock, the gap between the hands is 25 divisions. But right angle happens when the gap is 15 divisions. It happens for 2 times, plus or minus. Ready? Case number 1, minus 25 minus 15, 10 divisions. Covered in how much time? 12 by 11 minutes. 120 by 11, how many times? 10 times. Any balance? 10 minutes past 5 o'clock. That is case number 1. Case number 2, 25 plus 15, how much? 40 divisions into 12 by 11. How much is that? 480 by 11, 4 times 44. 40 is there. 3, 7 by 11 minutes past 5 o'clock. It happens 2 times. One is 10 by 11 minutes past 5 o'clock. Second one 43 7 by 11 minutes past 5 o'clock. I believe that we are doing good. But still I want to get clarification from you. How we are doing, man? I think yes. Many of you are responding with positive. Yeah, your answers are very much encouraging. Yes, student, yes, everything seems to be under control. But maybe still some of you are not getting it right. That is not your mistake. The topic is something like this. No, student, no problem. Maybe one more question will help you to get it clear. Now, here we go. Question number 3. Between 8 and 9 o'clock, when the hands are at right angles. Come on, quick. Between 8 and 9 o'clock. Student, now just see that time is 8 o'clock. Minute hand is on 12. Our hand is on 8. Come on, do it. Come on, student. 12 to 1 you are unable to do. Student, I tell you, please wait for some time. Wait for my direction, please wait. Maybe by tomorrow you will get everything clear. By tomorrow you get everything clear. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good student, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Yeah. Student, yes, you are doing extremely well. Very good, very good. Now tell me how we are doing this. Now, because the time is 8 o'clock, the gap between the hands is 40 divisions. But to be at right angles, there must be a gap of 15 divisions. It happens 2 times. Therefore, how many cases we get? We get 2 cases. 40 minus 15, 25 divisions. So, they are covered in how much time? 12 by 11 minutes. That is 300 by 11. How many times? 2 times. 80. 80 means 7 times. Student, as far as calculation is concerned, I am doing a little fast, because if I have to explain this calculation, it takes plenty of time. You please look at from my side, because 2000 plus students are there on online. If I start doing the simple calculations, they feel very bored. Please do it after some time. You can do it. Second one, 40 plus 15. You know that 2 times it happens. 40 plus 15, that is 55 divisions. 55 divisions are covered in 60 minutes. So 60 minutes. 60 minutes means at 9 o'clock. 60 minutes after 8, it is 9. Okay. So, between 8 and 9, a right angle happens for 2 times. Those 2 times I have already clearly mentioned. Yes, students. So, with this we come to a very important session of clock. I know that we are doing well, but still some of you must be having some doubts. No problem, that we can discuss tomorrow. So, again we will be meeting tomorrow. Thank you, student, and we will be completing the remaining questions tomorrow. I just repeat today's concept.